A positive attitude will not solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort. Positive outcomes come from positive people with positive thoughts. Keep your mind clear and keep on the road ahead because only you can fail you. Being positive does not mean ignoring the negative. Being positive means overcoming the negative. Don't expect to see positive changes in your life if you surround yourself with negative people. Instead of concentrating on eliminating the negative, concentrate on creating something positive. Success is the ongoing process of striving to become more, to continually grow while contributing in some positive way to others. Every time you subtract negative from your life, you make room for more positive. Why make everything complicated? You worry and see only the worst case scenario instead of keeping it simple and positive. You can spread positivity by creating something positive or by reflecting positivity in your thoughts and actions. Positive thinking isn't about expecting the best to happen every time, but accepting that whatever happens is the best for this moment. Take negative things that come your way, such as insults others may hurl at you, and make something positive from them. Instead of blaming life for how it goes, adapt and respond positively to whatever happens. A positive attitude may not solve all your problems, but it will annoy enough people to make it worth the effort. Every moment of life, more specifically the future, holds surprise. If you have a positive attitude, you shall make most of them pleasant and beautiful. Enjoy life with meaningful developments throughout the course of it. A positive attitude gives you power over your circumstances instead of your circumstances having power over you. Positive thinking is not about expecting the best to happen. It's about accepting that whatever happens is for the best. Taking a few moments to be thankful for what is going well in your life is an excellent way to dive into the day with a positive attitude.